spooky babes and ghouls, so you know, let's keep it spooky all year round. And today, as you guys already know by the title and thumbnail, I am recreating the Grinch as I guess like a female Grinch. So yeah, this was actually requested in one of my Instagram polls, or like questionnaire things, I forgot what they're called. And I had some plans actually, so finally I did order a wig, and I have everything pretty much ready. I have some yellow cat eye contacts on my eyes. I know his eyes are like all yellow, like they're like, I don't know, black, I guess like black and like all yellow, but there's so many yellow contacts I have that I own, so whatever, we'll just work with it. I think it'll look really cool to look. I'm a little blind now though. And my cat just knocked my trash can over, that's nice. So yeah, I don't know if cause I was actually trying to make a prosthetic nose earlier, and it just did not work out for me. I got frustrated and I quit, and I ate some more food, got getting hungry. I think I was hangry earlier, so whatever. So we're gonna get to it now. Let's see. I'm using this Merhan. I'm not even sure if I say it right. Let me know down below in the comments if I'm saying it wrong or right. I might just say this palette from now on. But we're gonna be dipping into this green shade, and also might be mixing it a little bit of the white I have left. Of course, I'm gonna be dipping a brush in water. I'm using this foundation brush from Real Techniques. This is just whatever, any foundation brush you have, whatever. And I'm not going to be filming my painting process on camera. I don't think I have a lot of memory on my camera, but I'm pretty much going to do now. I'm painting my whole face green, and probably my neck and chest area down here. And later on I'll be wearing, this is actually a Santa hat. Sorry, but if my sister's old Santa hat, but I don't think she wears this, so I cut it up and I flipped it inside out because I read the inside. I'll just wear this like as a little top here, so, and I have a Santa hat, so we'll be throwing those on later. So never mind about making the nose skinny, I kind of contoured a little bit of what, like outside of my nose, like pretty much like where my nose kind of ends. I contoured that to make the nose look wider because he does have like a wide nose. So, and also I darkened this to make it look like his nose. I was kind of wrong with the nose earlier, kind of like the picture, and I was like, oh, that's how he looks like. I was just imagining him another way for some reason, and yeah. But I think this looks really cool. It's without the work of a prosthetic nose. That's really cool. I like it. So yeah, so I think next I'll move on to like highlighting the face. I'm using the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. I don't know where it is or now, honestly. I lost it, but I'll be back and I'll be highlighting my face. Next I'll move on to the eyes. I kind of want to do like a very dramatic green cut crease. I'm going to do all green. I kind of think of adding some red glitter to it, but like, I don't think I'll have to like mess with glitter tonight, and I'm just gonna be green, like the Grinch. So I'm using the Morphe 35B palette for the greens, and the Alien Cosmetics palette as well for the green. I like this really dark green they have in there. This one's beautiful. I think it's perfect, and of course also I'm using like these greens right here. I'll probably start off with that one, blend it, you know, for transition shade, and keep going. And then I'll probably use like these shimmery shades for like the creases. I'll tell you guys later, but yeah. So I'm gonna start off with the transition shade. It's probably gonna be this one, and then I'm gonna move on to this one next. Actually, I think probably move on to the Alien Cosmetics one next. I think that one's a bit brighter than this green, and then this one's last. So yeah, and then a little bit of black for the crease. So yeah. off camera. I'm running out of space in my camera. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get some concealer brush, and cut the crease. So I'm gonna do kind of high up here, and then bring it, kind of like wing it out, if that makes sense. Okay, so next I'm using the Morphe 35B palette, and we're gonna be dipping into this lime green shimmery shade. You can use whatever lime green shimmery shade you have, and then of course I'm gonna layer that with Kat Von D's Alchemist palette, and I'm using the shade Emerald, which is a green highlighter. You can use whatever green highlighter you have, or whatever green shimmery eyeshadow you have. And then I think at the top of the crease, I'm gonna highlight it with the shade Absolution. I think it goes really beautiful with cut creases. Let me show it to the camera. It has it's really pretty. It's white. It has gold reflex in it, and it's so beautiful. I love it. Drawing on the other eyebrow here. As y'all can see, I already drew one for practice, and I'm using Kat Von D's Plan 9 liquid lipstick. You can use whatever green paint you have, eyeshadow, or liquid lipstick, and just use a small angle brush and draw them on. Some green eyeshadow and a little, I guess the same little brush I use for my eyebrows. Let me draw in the little wrinkles that kind of go on the nose and the mouth, and I might blend them out just a little bit so that we don't want to look too harsh. So yeah. I didn't film a lot of it, but I'm running out of space on my camera, and I feel super sorry, guys. Like, I'm so mad that my camera, like, I can't put any more space on my like, I can't empty it because my laptop's being stupid and all this other stuff going on. But I did draw like little dots right here. I drew a little line down below. I put some green lipstick. This is Plan 9 lipstick from Kat Von D, by the way. He doesn't really have like color on his lip. What's going on there? I don't know, but I don't know. I'm kind of blind now, so I can't really tell. Also, my contact's crooked. I drew some like wrinkles up here, and I even like added like a lighter green to like kind of emphasize it, and I added a little bit white too, just a little bit. I kind of fixed this a little bit. The streaks do kind of give it like a fur texture, so I kind of left it like I didn't put too much eyeshadow on it because that's not too bad. I don't know why my paint's been coming out. I was actually getting good at body paint for a while, but I was just coming out really gross and streaky, but whatever. I think that's all I did off camera pretty much. I just did the rest of the wrinkles like on the nose. I did the little dots right here, like the little whiskers, the little line right here going down from the nose, and then the wrinkles on the eyes. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did off camera. So next I'll be adding some mascara, and I'll be putting on some eyelashes, and the eyelashes that I'm be using is from Alien Cosmetics. Let me grab one real quick. These ones are Plan 9. They come in this really cute case. I don't know if I'll be promoting for them by the time this video comes out or not, because they are picking up promoters. I don't want to get like, I don't want to like hype myself up, but I'd be really proud, like happy, because I already talk about them like a lot on here, on YouTube, and then Instagram as well. But these are Plan 9. Wait, not Plan 9. These are Alien. I was thinking the green lipstick. These are Alien from Alien Cosmetics, and they have like a green tint to them. So I'm gonna apply these after putting on mascara. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. I'm sorry like a lot of it didn't get filmed. I was running out of memory on my camera, and it sucks. I need to get like a new another SD card, so that way I'll have like a lot more memory and space. That way I can switch them out whenever when I run out. But yeah, this wig is actually kind of small, to be honest. Like, it's even like really shiny compared to like the other ones I got off eBay. Like the other ones I got off eBay were like actually pretty nice for like the price I paid, but this one's like cheap, like cheapy, like cheap, like not as cheap as the other ones I bought. I mean, well, this one's more cheap. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, and it was kind of small, so I kind of had to squeeze it on, and the hairline looked pretty bad. Like you can see like the cap, like the little cap the wig was attached on. So yeah. But anyways, so yeah, so I kind of attached this little Santa hat to me to kind of, I need to put like higher or something, or like fold it so that way it won't be like so much white up here and y'all can actually see the, whatever. I'll try to fix it later. But yeah, so I apologize if I was in a rush earlier filming, explaining things. I'm not always like that, I promise, but sometimes I just am. Oh, my eyelash keeps poking me in the eye. But anyways, yeah, I kind of feel bad, like, I rushed through this video, and I wanted to take my time with this one. But, I think I'm really happy with how it came out, though. It looks really cool, like, the eyebrows, or, like, they're really cool, like, they go up and they swirl. I like that, and, what's it called? I just wish this wig didn't look so shiny, to be honest. Like, it just, ugh. But whatever, it's cool. It has, like, blue ends, though, so. I liked it, because it looked different than all the other ones. I thought it was perfect for this look. But whatever. So yeah, so, I don't know what to say. This is one of my Christmas videos. I don't know which one I'm going to post them in. This was also requested as well, and I actually really want to do a Grinch look, so finally I got around to doing it, so yeah. What else am I saying? I have a lot of other awesome Christmas videos coming out, or if they have already come out, you guys should definitely check out my channel and see more of them, and make sure you subscribe to my channel too, so y'all can see the rest of my videos. I have like a bunch of awesome videos coming out. Also be sure to leave a like and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this look. Tell me if you guys like the Grinch. Oh, and also, that Grinch meme that's been going around right now. Like, currently it's a member. Like, it's so funny. I love it. Like, where it's like, when he's like jumping at that one scene. I don't want to do it. I don't want to embarrass myself, but when he's jumping at Cindy Lou Who, and it's a meme, it's like what the baby sees, or it's like me trying to make a baby laugh, and like what the baby sees, and it's like him like jumping at Cindy Lou Who, like, ugh. It's so funny. I love that scene so much. Like, I used to make fun of that scene like over a decade ago, like back when little. Like, I memed it first, okay? I memed it first, you guys. So yeah, y'all guys are all late to the party. And my little thing fell off. I just bobby pinned it too, like at the top I'm wearing, honestly. Yeah, I was trying to look for safety pins, but I saw the bobby pins, and I was like, you know, that'll work. So yeah. But yeah, all I could think right now was that cringe meme. Like, I love it so much, and I've been like making fun of that scene ever since I was little. So I think it's hilarious. So you guys are all late to the party. Just saying, I memed it first. But yeah, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I think that's all I have to say, really much. Yeah, so make sure you check out my other videos. I have a bunch of awesome Halloween videos that came out this year. Make sure you go check them out, show them some love if you haven't yet, or if you haven't seen them, make sure you go check them out. Also, I have other Christmas videos that are coming out. I'm not sure if by this time there'll be Christmas videos out already or not, so I don't know yet. Plus it's kind of like Thanksgiving today, so yeah, I kind of got in the Christmas spirit. I told myself I'll get in the Christmas spirit after Thanksgiving, or at least on Thanksgiving. So it is Thanksgiving, so here I am. I'm the Grinch, bah humbug, whatever. I don't like Christmas. But yeah. No, I love Christmas, don't get me wrong, I'm just trying to be the Grinch. I know bah humbug is Scrooge, but whatever. They're kind of the same thing, they both hate Christmas, but oh well. So yeah, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial, so leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, bye!